Hello everybody. For the 5 people that watch my channel, I have totally been MIA, so I decided a good video would be to come back and just talk about life in general and take my hair down. So I'll start with saying that I didn't even have this hairstyle for a week, but I just wanted to show the other side of content creating, where 1, you get antsy, and 2, when things don't go right, you have to go to the drawing board. So I was trying a new braiding pattern and it didn't go well. So I was following a video here on YouTube. I won't say it didn't go well because I see the vision, but the person never said anything about kind of gelling down the boxes, and so it just looks really frizzy in the root. And yeah, and I know that was on me because I'm like, yeah, I should have known to put some stuff in my hair when I'm trying to twist it and do a crochet, because yeah, my hair does its own thing. So anyway, I'm going to take this down and just chit chat with you guys. And I need to start over and do another hairstyle, but I'm in between wanting to do box braids, but I can't really do box braids because I have an event and I have to have my hair down for that particular event. And then I was thinking about cutting a wig that I have, but I haven't ever worn the lace front wig straight, so it's kind of crazy for me to go in and immediately cut it. But I think that's what I'm leaning towards, because I do have a graduation party for my son on this Saturday, so I should just go with the hairstyle that I want to have, right? So yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. And honestly, I have been creating a lot of hair content, and I don't know if my hair is like struggling because of it. So I've honestly been wanting to slow down with manipulating and styling my hair, but it seems like I'm still doing a bunch of styles, and honestly not even just to provide content. I just, you know how you get tired and you need to do your hair, so you take a shortcut with your hairstyle, which is what I did with this style, and then you end up not liking it. So here we are manipulating my hair. Actually I had to stop because my son was being off the chain, because that's what 2-year-olds do. But it has been a crazy time in the world, a crazy time in my life. My son actually graduated at the end of May, and we had to cancel his graduation party because he had the virus. So that was just disappointing, because it was a time to be excited. We had family coming into town and we actually had to cancel the party. So yeah, that was interesting. And all these shootings that have been going on have definitely been affecting my mood. Of course, nothing like the victims of that tragedy, but it's just unnerving. It's unsettling to know that we live in a country where those things are happening, and just seem to be happening daily. And you don't, it's not like it's nothing we can't do, but there's like almost no control in it, because it's someone else's mind. You don't know what's going on in their mind, and they just decide to act. So it's like, what are we missing here as a people, as a country, that people, one, are even feeling that the need to do something like that? And then what are we missing that's allowing them to actually, you know, take out these unhealthy thoughts? So I just been like meditating on that and just trying to be okay every day. And so I hope that, you know, you are doing the same. But if you're anything like me, it just feels like since 2020 it has just been so many things going on. So when 2020 hit, oh, I think I'm tangling my own hair, shoot. So the last thing that happened in 2020, right before the virus, I had my baby shower for my youngest child. And it was that weekend that everything was going on with the virus. My family was in town and we were hearing about the virus. And, you know, they were like getting scared about it. And then that week, while some of my family was still in town, my kids didn't have to go to school. They were actually told that they had to stay home. And then from there, they were just at home. So I had a baby during COVID. So that experience was crazy because it, you know, I actually lived in Georgia now, back where my family and my friends are, where when I had my other kids, my family wasn't nearby, so they couldn't come to the hospital. You know, all those things that happen when you have a baby. You know, your friends and family come, all that. Like my family would come, but you know what I'm saying. So I wasn't able to have that happen. The only person that could be in the delivery room was my husband. So that was unnerving, just in the sense that so many things can go wrong during labor. And I just wanted, you know, I just kept telling him, like, make sure you're paying attention to everything and, you know, understanding what's going on and speaking up if something doesn't seem right. Because, you know, if I'm out of it, then, you know, I can't speak for myself. But thankfully, it was honestly the smoothest delivery that I've ever had. So I think that was just God. It was the smoothest delivery. He came in two pushes. I was at the hospital for 4 hours before it was time to push, and he came out in 2 pushes. So that was a blessing, that it was literally no drama, because some of my other deliveries have been. So yeah. So anyway, I say all that to say, it just seems like so many things, and not that I want to just be on this video making you guys depressed or anything, but I feel as if it is something that a lot of people have been dealing with. And so I'm just kind of going through my thing to say that, you know, you probably have your own list of things that have just taken place since 2020. It's just kind of like this cloud is hanging over, and I just want the cloud to go away. I really do. Yeah, and I think that part of why I started creating content is because it is something that I enjoy and something that I remember being fun. And I recently have started putting pressure on myself to make content, even though I have not been in the mood with all the different things going on in my life, things that are going on in the world. And I don't want to do that anymore. So that's why this video is something I would never do. Get on here just to take my hair down and chit chat. But I'm going to do it today because sometimes we have to make up our own rules and not follow these unstated, unsaid rules, right? So yeah, that is what's going on. I'm going to take my hair down, and like I said, I think I'm going to do the lace front. That would probably be the easiest. My hair, it should still be clean because I think I just washed it a week ago before I put this style in, or like a few days before that, because I had another style. So I just have been all over the place. Video that was super quick to take that out. I'm just going to probably shower, go to bed, and not worry about styling until tomorrow or another day. I work from home, so that is the luxury of working from home, is I can show up looking crazy. A little bit crazy. So you guys, take it easy, take care of yourself, feel your feelings, get help if you need help. If you're not feeling great, tell somebody, let somebody help you. And like I said, take care of you guys, and I will see you. Take care of you guys, take care of yourself, and I will see you guys in the next video. And remember, good, better, best. Never let it rest until your good is your better and your better is the best.